Welcome to Maintenance and Capital Project Budgets, a critical course in heavy industry best practices. Whether you're a maintenance planner or project coordinator, this course is your gateway to mastering the financial aspects of planning. You might be surprised to learn that budget control and cost management are integral to a planner's role. In fact, it's your best opportunity to quantify your value contribution in a language that resonates across all levels of business: hard currency. Remember, as a planner, you drive value by ensuring safe, reliable, and efficient execution at the work phase, but your impact extends far beyond that. You're the key to optimizing the ratio of indirect to direct costs, a crucial strategic measurement in budget control and cost management. In this course, we'll focus on three key aspects of creating budgets and managing costs for approved scope: direct costs, indirect costs, and overhead. You'll master the art of estimating, calculating, and capturing actual value using the LEMS model: labor, equipment, materials, and services. Remember, following industry standard work processes isn't just a best practice. It's your pathway to success as a planner. These proven methodologies will set you apart in the field. By mastering these processes, you'll transform budget uncertainty into financial precision, cost overruns into controlled expenditures, and reactive planning into proactive financial management. This course is built on best practices and proven fundamentals, researched and developed by seasoned practitioners with years of combined experience in heavy industry and project planning, scheduling, and cost controls. But before we dive into the first lesson, we have something special for you. We prepared an interactive scenario to immerse you in the world of maintenance and project budget controls and cost management. This hands-on experience will sharpen your focus on the financial aspects of planning, preparing you to wield budgetary control with precision and foresight. Are you ready to elevate your planning skills and make a measurable impact on your organization's bottom line? Begin your financial planning journey now, and let's dive into the world of maintenance and capital project budgets together.